In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a folder and upload files in Google Drive. By the end of this video, you will have a new folder in your Google Drive with your files uploaded into it and visible inside that folder. First, open Google Drive. On your screen, open a web browser and go to drive.google.com. When Drive loads, you'll see your My Drive area with any existing files and folders. Next, click New, which is the button in the top left corner of Google Drive. From the menu that opens, click Folder. This creates a dedicated place to keep related files together. Now enter the folder name, then click Create. Type a clear, descriptive name so you can recognize it later. Click Create to confirm. Google Drive adds the new folder to your My Drive. If you don't see it right away, it will appear near the top of the list or in the main grid view. Open the folder you just created. Double-click the folder name to go inside it. You should now see an empty folder with the folder name at the top of the page, confirming you're in the right place before you upload. Next, click New again and choose File Upload or choose Folder Upload if you want to bring in an entire local folder from your computer. Use File Upload for one or more individual files like documents, images, or PDFs. Use Folder Upload when you need to move a whole directory at once, keeping its contents together. When the File Picker window opens, select your files. Navigate to where your content is stored on your computer. Click a single file to select it, or select multiple files if needed. If you chose Folder Upload, click the folder you want to upload. Now, take a moment to confirm you're choosing the correct item so you don't upload the wrong content to the folder. Click Open to start the upload. This confirms your selection and begins the transfer to Google Drive. You'll see an upload panel appear, usually in the lower right corner of Drive, showing the progress for each file or folder. If your files are large or your connection is slow, give it time. This is normal. Wait for the upload to finish. Watch the progress bars go to 100%. Each item will show as completed in the upload panel when it's done. As uploads finish, you'll also see the files appear in the main area of your open folder. To avoid interruptions or partial uploads, keep the browser tab open until all items show as completed. If you see a brief upload complete message and your files are listed inside the folder, and everything has finished successfully. At this point, your new folder is created in Google Drive and your files are uploaded and available inside it. You can now open them directly from Drive and they'll stay organized within the folder you named. The task is complete and working. You've created a Google Drive folder and successfully uploaded your files into it. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.